The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a brand new appearance, and its new colors look fantastic. With the S24 Ultra, we will get some significant enhancements that you will like. Okay, so here is the leaked information on the S24 Ultra, which was obtained from a reliable online source. It finally provides us with a clear picture of what to anticipate from this new development. This leak makes it seem as if Samsung will maintain the same ultra-wide, selfie, and long-range zoom. The primary 200MP sensor, which has been upgraded and further tuned for the greatest possible performance, is the sole 2 camera sensor we're receiving, along with the 50MP 3x zoom. Titanium frames are undoubtedly on the way, and the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will be the first to use them, but happily Samsung is not lagging behind in making the S24 Ultra premium and lighter than before. It will be the most premium Samsung Galaxy flagship ever created. With that said, there will be some battery improvements owing to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. We'll have Android 14 based on One UI 6.0, of course the whole final edition, along with the same 5000 mAh battery and with the same 45-watt charging. Samsung will be more reliant on the next iPhone 16 series than ever before. In addition to the all-display OLED panel that Samsung is making for the ideal iPhone, they are also making a novel MLA OLED display for the iPhone 16 series. The display on the iPhone 16 series will reportedly deliver absolute records-breaking brightness and battery efficiency advantages because to this MLA technology, according to South Korean media. Having the most recent AMOLED tag on a smartphone will be a major advancement, as this screen is now utilized in some of LG's OLED TVs. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.